According to MarketWatch.com, a public health organization has called on all corporations to install curbs on porn. Culture Reframed is a non-profit organization that provides education and resources to build resilience and resistance to hypersexualized media and porn. It is calling on all platforms and public venues, according to this article, such as Instagram and YouTube, as well as restaurants, libraries, college campuses, and commercial flights, to follow the bold actions of these corporations, such as Starbucks and Tumblr, are the latest two big names in terms of putting some halt on porn and blocking users from viewing it. According to the article, over 40 years of research by psychologists and sociologists shows that porn consumption leads to sexual violence, a decreased capacity for intimacy, and ability to form healthy relationships, and undermines the cognitive, social, and sexual development of young people, said Dr. Gail Dines, Culture Reframed President and CEO. He also said, we call on all other platforms and public venues to follow these bold moves. And a statistic included in this article is almost 90% of the most viewed porn scenes contain violence against women. The CEO went to say one other thing, which is when you consume porn in public, you are sending a very powerful message to the women who walk past you. It's a public statement about how normal misogyny is. Why would you go somewhere with your kids when you could see someone watching porn? When you could go somewhere like Panera where you know you won't. So I agree with that statement. I also agree with her statement regarding how porn affects the sexual development of young people. My younger days, I say I had a very weird path to development in general, just becoming a, more of an adult person, or just having a healthy upbringing, Also in terms of sexual development, simply because a lot of my time during my teen years was spent watching porn, and that really affected how I viewed other people, how I could form relationships with other people, and also the health of my mind, body, and spirit. I still think that I'm somewhat recovering from all the years of porn that I consumed, and what I did with that. It's just, I think it takes a little bit to get your body readjusted after watching a lot of porn. And it's really interesting that this is very interesting to me, because I made a video on Starbucks installing filters on their public Wi-Fi, and then Tumblr comes out and says they're going to straight up ban all types of porn. So this is a great timing for a statement from this public health organization to tell other corporations that they should follow in the same path as Starbucks and Tumblr, so that we don't have to, have visitors worry about other people watching porn, such as at Starbucks, or, they use Panera as an example. But YouTube and Instagram also have a bit of a problem with nudity and such things. So it'd be interesting if those big names also followed in that same path in some sense.